So you sleep and you wake up one day, pick up your phone and you check your investments and you notice that everything has gone down drastically. You check the news and everybody is just talking about how the market has crashed, how people are losing money. You check social media and everybody is just going crazy, everybody is angry, everybody is grumbling and complaining. What are you going to do? What am I going to do? Nothing, I guess. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Margaret Oduwole, your friend in lifestyle and financial affairs. Guys, I'm not going to come here and act like if I wake up tomorrow and I see that my investments have depreciated like drastically, I'm going to be all cool and all calm and collected. That's a lie. I'm going to go crazy like, hey, how, where, when, right? I'm probably going to lose it. Like, I'm going to lose my sanity. However, I won't sell my investments. I just won't. Why? Because I don't trust I'm going to be making the right decision, especially if the news is still fresh, especially if it just happened like the night before, like we described, or just a couple of days back. I don't trust I'm going to be making a wise decision. I'm sure that I'm going to be making a very, very emotional decision. And emotional decisions always erode our path to wealth. That's just the truth. So I'm going to try as much as possible to stay calm, stay put, stay collected. I'll try as much as I can to restrain myself. Another reason why I might not do anything is because when it comes to investment decisions or divestment decisions, I need to be logical and not emotional about my decisions. So I have to make sure that whatever decision I'm making is a decision that is driven and backed by data. So speaking of data, let's use the US market as a perfect case study. There was the financial crisis of 2008. There was the dot-com crash in 2000. There was also the COVID crash in 2020. That's one thing that all of these crashes had in common. They recovered. The markets recovered. So that's even more reason for me not to do anything, because I need to check data. I'm like, has something like this happened before? When it happened, was that the end of the world? Or was there a bounce back? Clearly there was a bounce back. So guys, I've just told you what I will not do. Let's go to what I will do. Really, what I'm going to do is chill, pause, restrain myself, if possible tie my hands so I don't go crazy. The second thing I'm going to do is I have to go back to my emergency fund, baby. Guys, hey, we need to take this emergency fund seriously. Like even me, hey God, I need to take this emergency fund thing seriously, because I don't have 6 months of emergency fund saved up yet. I really do not, and I need to get there. If you are going to be with me on this ride, please, let's join this train together. Let's join this bandwagon together in 2026, so that by the end of the year, one of our wins, our financial wins for the year, will be that we've saved at least 6 months of emergency fund. Me, I'm not yet there yet. I'm still scratching the surface. It's always very good to have an emergency fund, because when situations like this happen, right, you have that as a cushion, a financial cushion that you can fall back on. So guys, let's take this thing seriously. And then the next thing I would also do is dollar cost averaging. This sounds very counterintuitive. It sounds crazy. Like, why is anybody investing when there's clearly a market crash? But again, people who invested when the market crashed in previous years, they came back to say that they actually made a lot of money. So one thing I would probably do is I would adopt the dollar cost averaging strategy. Simply me just putting aside very small amount of money consistently in a couple of companies I know that they have performed really well prior to this market crash, right? Because when the market has crashed, I'm going to be buying those stocks at a discounted price. So I'll just continue to top up and top up and top up whatever it is I have there consistently, right, with small amounts. I've not even experienced a market crash before, like a total market crash. I'm not talking about these small ones that's happening now. In 2008, I didn't even know anything about investment. 2000, I don't know, how old was I? What did I know about money? I had literally no worries, right? In 2020, my frontal lobe had not yet developed yet, so I wasn't really taking investment seriously. So really and truly, everything I'm saying now, right, I'm not even saying it from personal experience, right? However, I'm already using small situations, like even what is currently going on in the US stock market, right? I'm already using, those kind of experiences to build muscle, right? Nobody prays for a market crash. I don't even pray for it, but peradventure that it happens, I know it's going to be really scary, but I think I am going to try and stay cool, calm and collected. I don't think I'm going to divest my investment, at least not immediately, because I need to make sure that I'm making the best decision. Alright guys, so tell me in the comment section, if the market crashes tomorrow, what are you going to do? Are you going to freeze? Are you going to take flight? Are you going to fly? Are you going to freeze? Are you going to take flight? Are you going to flee? Freeze. Flee. Are you going to freeze? Are you going to flee? Or are you going to fight? I look forward to seeing your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.